All right, shalom, y'all. It's Michael Israel, and I am here with Pastor Dow, Pastor Muir. If y'all saw the video Pastor put out, I guess about a week ago, he asked for about 20 people to come out. He said he needs some help out here. We didn't know exactly what, but how many people would you say are here today? Because it's definitely over 20.
Right about what? 60, 70? Yeah, about 60, 70, bro.
So 60, 70 brothers, and it's just a beautiful, encouraging thing when brothers dwell together in unity. And Pastor, if you could just talk about the brotherhood we have here and just how we're moving forward and functioning as a nation and not as individuals. So,
well, I mean, when you see, obviously, Pastor put out the call for brothers to get down here, and to see 60 brothers show up, that speaks for itself. And the brothers come down here not expecting nothing, not expecting no return or nothing. The brothers just want to come down, work together, have a good time. You can go throughout the whole day. You just see brothers laughing. All you hear is laughing and brothers telling jokes and just whatever the conversation is. But we're cleaning, getting the work done as well. So it's definitely encouraging to see. But this is how we always roll. This ain't nothing new to us. This is how we always roll.
Right. Pastor, what do you think of the show out today? What's your thoughts?
It also shows the love of Israel, and no matter what we're doing, whenever the call goes out, I don't care if it's here in Tennessee, Indiana, Georgia, Alabama, I don't care wherever the state is. No matter where we go, you see the unity of the brothers. And we're talking about that sometimes brothers have to get in the vehicle and they drive 11, 12 hours to get to one of these geographical locations. And they're there for days until the job gets done, and then they're heading back home. But this is how you're going to be able to build a nation. I was talking to Pastor Muir earlier today. I said, where in the world, I didn't say just only the United States of America, but where in the world can you find this type of unity of the faith and the bond of the spirit, just like the book says? To where you got brothers who literally genuinely love each other, and you know what? They're not doing it with lip service.
Right.
You know, because the book teaches love not in word, but in deed. And you can see it. People talk about it a lot, and there's a lot of people out there that's selling people a pipe dance, a song, and a dance, and a false dream that becomes a nightmare real quick. Right. But man, when it comes time to put literally boots on the ground without cellophane, and bro Rob, we don't give you that cellophane either. Cellophane, man, we're talking about brothers, man, that are serious about the work. And then, I mean, even at that, you know, Pastor Muir just brought down a daughter of Zion is getting married to one of our brothers. And it's just a wonderful thing is because no telling how many sisters done got married up there with y'all, huh? Up there in Goshen. But you think about it, that's where it's supposed to be. To function as a tribe. No, people don't have to go outside of the ministry to look for someone that could be a potential devastating threat. You know what I mean? As far as that they're not sound in mind, sound in spirit, dysfunctional homes, raised in dysfunctional environments. But you got people here, sisters who keep the commandments, reared and raised in the laws and the commandments of the Most High Yah. Then you have brethren that have the fear of Yah, learning how to lead their families, and they're having children within it. And we're building a nation within a nation. And it's a beautiful thing. We're getting ready to come up to Goshen again. They getting ready to do some work up there. It's good to see everybody just dropping whatever they got to do whatever it takes to get to the place we need to in order to make the work more proficient at another place, and we continue to keep this growth. So there's nothing like it. I mean, people can say whatever they want, all they want, but there's one thing you can never argue with Straitway is fruit. You can never argue about the fruit that we produce. I don't care who it is, where it is. It's just beautiful, and I give all praise to the Most High Yah.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. So we try and show you what y'all don't see behind the scenes. A lot of y'all, you just watch, you listen to what people are saying on YouTube, but you need to watch the people who are doing things on YouTube, and you don't see a lot of that. So anyway, with that said, Michael Israel here, and shalom, shalom. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good right there. So yeah, y'all, this is what it looks like when brothers are dwelling together in unity. A lot of work going on today. knocked a lot out in a short period of time. Pleasure, brother. This is way more than 20. It looked more like 60 or 70 people showed up. If it ain't raining, it ain't raining. What was that? Concrete right here, and this in order we're going to run two Ethernet cables through here to right there in the floor. So that's where the desk is going to be. That's what we're doing. So we use the gas powered concrete cutter, okay, and we're going to use this electric chisel. The chisel still doesn't have any power. We're going to use that electric chisel to chisel the rest out of there, or we're just going to do it by hand. So looks like I might just be continue doing it by hand. And as you notice, concrete dust is no joke. So, all right, we got it working now. We're going to get it. One thing working around me, definitely gonna do is get you out of your shell. Like if you're a closed off type person and you don't, you don't like talking. I just did a video on low self-esteem, low self-confidence. Getting around some men, they're definitely gonna push you in a masculine way to be more outgoing, to communicate better. Any weaknesses, you get around a good set of brothers, that's what they're going to cultivate and bring out in you. So just wanted to put that out there.